Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated mops. Cleaning hard floors can be tedious, but the newest mops have been designed with ease and efficiency in mind. The majority of them use microfiber cloths, which can pick up and hold a lot of dirt, allowing you to finish the work in less time. Many also have telescopic handles that can be extended or shortened to suit your height. Some are self-wringing, while others are built for both wet and dry mopping. Spray mops, which eliminate the need for a bucket, can also be useful in any household. In this video, we have provided you with a list of the 7 top-rated mops available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mops that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first mop on our list is the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. Clean your home with ease with the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop that effectively removes dirt, filth, and over 99% of bacteria with simply water. It's safe to use on any type of hard floor, including finished hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. For its size, it measures 20 by 12 by 12 inches and weighs 5.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 360-degree rotation. It has a 360-degree rotation that makes it easy to handle and fit under furniture and into tight spaces. Microfiber. This mop is made of microfiber, so it's safe and effective on any hard floor surface. Unique triangle mop head. It features a unique triangle mop head that's designed to clean into corners. Easy to use. Simply hold the mop loosely and step on the foot pedal to activate the wringer. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have wheels to make it easier for people to push it around. The second mop on our list is the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. With the Bissell Force Fresh Steam Mop, you can clean and sanitize your floors with the natural power of steam. You can choose from 3 different levels of steam depending on your cleaning needs. As for the size, it measures 11.6 by 7.1 by 28.6 inches and weighs 6.82 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: fragrance discs. You can insert fragrance discs into mop pads for an optional whole room fresh scent. Swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord. It features swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord, so it's ready to use in 30 seconds. Easy Scrubber. The Easy Scrubber can be flipped down to get into the nooks and grouts. Smart Set Steam Control. It has Smart Set Stream Control for light cleaning to heavy messes. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it requires a lot of effort to remove the container to fill. The third mop on our list is the iRobot Braava Jet Robot Mop. The iRobot Braava Jet mopping robot tackles dirt and stains in hard-to-reach places, like under kitchen cabinets and around toilets. Just attach a Braava Jet cleaning pad, and the robot automatically selects wet mopping, damp sweeping, or dry sweeping. For its size, it measures 6.7 by 7 by 3.3 inches and weighs 3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the iRobot Braava Jet Robot Mop a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: vibrating cleaning head. The vibrating cleaning head of the robot mop gently scrubs dirt and stains. Maximized edge design. It has maximized edge design that gets into corners and long edges. Easy pad eject button. With the easy pad eject button, you'll never touch grime or grit on the cleaning pad. Cleaning mode. You can automatically choose the correct cleaning mode based on the Braava Jet pad type. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, vibrating cleaning head can only be used in wet mopping and damp sweeping modes. The fourth mop on our list is the PurSteam Steam Mop. The Steam Mop uses intense steam to clean surfaces and fabrics without the use of harmful chemicals, leaving your home clean and fresh. It comes with a variety of accessories that make cleaning hard-to-reach areas a breeze. As for the size, it measures 8.07 by 9.45 by 23.94 inches and weighs 2.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the PurSteam Steam Mop a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: ultrafine microfibers. It's made of ultrafine microfibers that are soft and gentle on delicate surfaces while keeping the floors clean and gleaming. 3 different steam levels. The mop features 3 different steam levels that can be adjusted to suit your needs. 11.5-ounce reservoir. It has an 11.5-ounce reservoir that's good for 20 to 25 minutes of steaming on the lowest setting, or half of that on the maximum setting. Special surface scrubber. Special Surface Scrubber provides versatile cleaning from top to bottom. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the water tank is quite small and runs out quickly. The fifth mop in our list is a Turbo Microfiber Dust Mop. The Turbo Microfiber Mop ticks all the boxes when it comes to design. It's lightweight, sturdy, and glides smoothly for easy cleaning on hard floors. For its size, it measures 60 by 4 by 17 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Turbo Microfiber Dust Mop a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: extendable handle. The extendable handle is aluminum, so it feels much more robust than most other microfiber mops with plastic handles. Strong Velcro attachments. It has strong Velcro attachments, so the microfiber pads stay securely in place. Impressive swivel action. Cleaning around the furniture and corners is a breeze with the mop's impressive swivel action, which allows it to simply revolve in any direction while mopping. Microfiber mop pads. It comes with a set of microfiber mop pads that can be used on any hard surface without harming it. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the handle is quite thin. The sixth mop in our list is the MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop. This dual-action microfiber cloth has a unique beige plush side for waxing, while the other side is ideal for regular cleaning and polishing. It has dimensions of 59.45 by 5.12 by 16.54 inches and weighs 2.82 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: clip-on design with built-in gear. The clip-on design with built-in gear firmly grips the microfiber cloth, allowing for a variety of cleaning options. Heavy-duty stainless steel handle. It includes a heavy-duty stainless steel handle that can be extended and secured to any available length. Easy to use. It's incredibly easy to use even for kids and the old. Simply pull it up to release and press it down to lock. Durable aluminum alloy base. The base of the mop head is made of a durable aluminum alloy, and the plastic wrap is malleable and long-lasting, so it won't harm your floors or furniture. Handling loop. The mop has handling loop at the top for easy storage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the mop is quite large and hard to use in smaller spaces. The seventh mop in our list is the ASOGO Spray Mop. The ASOGO Spray Mop comes with 2 packs of microfiber mop pads, which allows you to mop the floor with a dry mop to remove hair, dust, and detergent, and then wet mop the floor for more thorough cleaning. It has a manual spray handle, which is environmentally friendly and gives you more control and eliminates the need for batteries. For its size, it measures 16.86 by 5.48 by 4.45 inches and weighs 1.78 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ASOGO Spray Mop a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: refillable bottle. You can choose the best cleaning solution for your needs with a refillable bottle. 350 milliliters bottom water tank. It has a bottom water tank with a capacity of 350 milliliters, which allows it to clean a floor mop in 10 to 15 minutes. Adjustable spray head. You can spray as much or as little liquid as you want with the adjustable spray head. Scraper. Comes with a scraper that can be used to clean mops, remove hair cotton mops, and remove solid stains from the floor. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have instructions on how to assemble it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated mops, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next mop roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.